All right, and there we are. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Jason Brown here, Portland, Oregon, tuning in, checking in, hopping on here live this Wednesday afternoon, Winning Wednesday, Webinar Wednesday, wanting to share with you an opportunity to join us for a webinar this evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. Find out what we're doing, how we're doing it, find out the success we're having, as the description mentioned, increased engagement, check, increased income, also, as well as just the amazing training platform. If you hop on live, if you can join us, you can hear from our seven-figure mentor exactly what it is that the program entails, what it is that the platform has evolved, how people are earning towards, and you know, with the live training that we receive on a weekly basis, oftentimes bi-weekly basis, the great support from the Facebook group, the group team chat, tremendous support from both the seven-figure mentor as well as others, veterans in the industry, if you will. So wanted to invite you out. Drop me a message, click the link that I'll drop down in the comments on how to join the webinar, how to sign up for that, and we'll hope to see you this evening. If you have any questions at all, let me know. You've seen my success if you've watched my page at all, and would love to welcome you into the program to find your own as well. So again, it's Wednesday. We do this every Wednesday, and this should be a really good one tonight. So I will put that link down in the comments. If you're here, if you hop on, appreciate the support. Let me know that you're here. That would be awesome. And most importantly, click that link, and we'll hope to see you this evening. All right? That's what I got for today. I'm Jason Brown, Webinar Wednesday. We'll see you tonight. I'm out. Peace.